guys, alright, so I'm going to show you how to put this A ladder together here. This is actually a 28.8 meter, no, I'm sorry, 8.8 meter ladder, A ladder, telescoping A ladders. So it comes out to be about almost 29 feet in height. It's a heavy one too, it's about 70 pounds, but it's a tall one. It can, if you do an A ladder, it can reach out to be about 13 foot, and then if you lay it out straight, it is about 29 feet in length. And this is a thick kind of hinge, so it's a heavy duty kind. It's commercial graded. I'm going to show you how to put this together here. First thing of all, you got these little tap here. You have to actually remove them, and you just take a screwdriver and hit it, and it comes right off. I don't know if you can see it. You see it? Just take it, a screwdriver, and just tap it and move it. I think it's part of the manufacturing process. Once you put that in, once you remove that, you slide these legs in. These legs, you gotta take these off to slide them in. So first I'm gonna take these tabs off here and hit it with a mallet. Recommend using a mallet so you don't damage the ladder here. Okay, pops right off. See that little piece? It just popped right off. See that? Yeah, there's 4 of them. Let's remove it. It's pretty easy. It comes right off. This one, that one just got stuck. This will be my second A telescoping ladder, A-frame. The other one is actually only 20 foot. I needed it some a little bit higher, so this one's 28 foot. But once you get that on there, you gotta slide. These gotta go on too. So I don't know why this came here, so you gotta pop these off. Okay guys, I finally got the end caps off here. So you have to take these end caps off. And then once you take these end caps off, you slide these onto the rail. Now you gotta make sure this piece kind of hugs on that end. So you want this piece, the left piece first, and then you do the right piece, okay? So once you slide them on like that, and then you can put the wheels on. But yeah, it just came right off. Well, I shouldn't say right off. It was a struggle a little bit, but I kind of used a mallet and my feet to get it off. But it came off, slid off. It was on there pretty tight. Guys, I got these 2 on the support, and I had to put this end piece back on. Pretty much, you just gotta take the end piece, slide it on. And you want the left and right, because this is going to be your second support. It's going to actually be your second leg. It's going to go in like this. So, like that, and your wheel goes here. Okay. So this goes past here. But I'm going to use this one first. And these 2 is going to be bolted on the hole. So let me hit here. And here it click in. There it goes. I want it in the center here. There it goes. Center. You're going to get a center. It's going to be hard. put on the bolts that came with it. Do the same thing to the bottom. Before you do that, I recommend putting your legs on so that the harder you go. Okay. Let's put the wheels on this one. With the Phillips screwdriver. Wheel's really easy. Just open it, take the screw apart. Wheels goes on this side. Okay. Just like that. And this goes there, and then you want the wheel to go next to it and tighten it up. But before I'm going to tighten up, I'm going to put my bolts and everything. You do the same thing on the other side. That's all you got to do. Okay guys, I'm going to try to set this ladder up here. Again, this is a 30-foot ladder. Pretty heavy ladders, and it can go up to 30 feet. You can actually do an A ladder, and then also you can do a straight ladder, and it also can bend. So it's a pretty neat ladder, and again, it's 30 foot. It's pretty high. To set this up, it's got wheels on it, so it makes it a little bit nice here when you set it up. First thing you want to do, you want to wear gloves. You know, you can pinch yourself. You want to do is spread it out. It's got heavy duty hinges here. You can see. Move the camera a little bit. It's got heavy duty hinges, and it also got in between a little another hinge down here to protect you. And it's got two. You can see here two bays to keep it balanced. My old one was a 24 foot, and it was not as balanced as this, or not as safe. Okay, so open it, make sure you got both sides spread out pretty good, and then spread it all the way out, because you got to lift these bars up. Yeah, you lift that bar up, you see how it can go straight. Okay, but we're gonna do an A ladder, so just to show how high this ladder is. First one is, I'm gonna start with the top. You want to hear a click. And do number 2. That side click. Okay, number 3. Number 3. Okay, and then I'm gonna spread it out. You want this to be straight. Number 3, you want to click. Okay. See, if you want to use about this height, you can. Before you get on there, you want to make sure it's tight. So we're gonna go even higher, okay? Let's go even higher. This is the last ladder I had was about this height. So this actually could go even taller. You work each side one by one. Go back and forth. this side's maxed out, so. You guys can see how tall that ladder is. Look at that. Let me move this back some more. It's so tall I have to move the camera all the way back. Now you can see it. You see all the way up there. Pretty safe. Now when you use this kind of ladder, I recommend you have somebody to support you. That thing's tall. You can also make this ladder go straight, like a flat ladder. And you can lay that part on top of the ladder, on the top of the roof too, so you can kind of climb. Again, it's heavy, but it's one of those ladders. If you really need it for something that high, you can. Really thick aluminum. So I'm going to try to put it back together here, back down. I'm going to go you want to go each side one by one. Pretty simple. Watch your fingers. Yes, it's a little bit overkill, but again, it's one of those. I probably only use it once a year. It's nice to have, and it was, it was cheap. Well, imported. So they don't sell this type of ladder this high here because for safety reason. But I got it for my personal use, as long as you don't, sell it to somebody. Somebody fall off this, they can sue you, right? So I bought for my personal use, but it's heavy dude. It's a really nice ladder, and it takes 2 people to operate. It's heavy. Just myself doing this, just to show you guys a demo. It's a lot of work. But in that, do I recommend it? You probably can go with a smaller ladder, but if you need some, they sell these on Amazon. There's a link below for a smaller version and cheaper. You can purchase a smaller one that's for around the house use, and they go up to 26 foot on Amazon, I believe, 26 to 20 foot, and those are good just to use around the house, and they're not as heavy. They're 40 pounds, 50 pounds, 20, 30 pounds lighter than this one. But thanks for watching. Until next time, hopefully I bring some more cool review products for you guys. Other than that, take care. Have a great summer.
sky's the limit.